As Danfoss added other products, the PVG build program, we just simply evolved with Danfoss. We became assembly centers for each product that they released. So finally, we were simply authorized to assemble every product that was available in an assembly format. They just simply turned service and repair as an authorized service center over to us at that time.
The Danfoss product line is exactly what we've done for 42 years, which is it allows us to custom assemble hydraulic pumps, hydraulic motors for same day or next day shipment that we can put on an airplane and send clear across the world. Their product lines make it easy for us to do that. Growing our business with Danfoss, there are so many opportunities for a company like ours, primarily because the fluid power industry just continues to grow and will continue to grow for the next 100 years. Because of what Danfoss has done for us, has allowed us so many opportunities to get out in not only locally and nationally, but internationally as well. It's a worldwide known product and brand.
Danfoss being a global manufacturer, best-in-class products has allowed us to apply these to all of our different customers. Great solutions, great service. Just can't say enough about them.